In November 2025, deputies in Florida arrested a woman during a routine walk in her front yard. The charge wasn't for a recent crime, but for a case that began in 1983.
Oh, they're coming for you, Sharon!
They don't want me.
They want Reggie. What's up?
Well, we're here for you, ma'am. Definitely here for you.
Whoa, why?
We're waiting on the detective to get here, but we have, with all the information that we do have, you have a warrant for your arrest.
They're teasing. They have to be.
Ma'am, we're not.
Oh,
You can please back up.
oh,
You can
I'm
go home.
so sorry.
No, you're okay.
I'm so sorry.
Okay, go ahead and go home. Thank you.
I don't understand.
Yes, ma'am. So,
You're Sharon, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
all right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put you in handcuffs, okay?
Can I take my dog in and get my husband?
We'll
I can
give-
take care
we'll
of
give
it.
the dog
I'll
the-
go ahead and get your husband, and we'll get your dog taken care of.
You want me to hold the leash for now? I don't want to. She's I don't think she's gonna get away. Well, you don't have to do that. I'm not gonna.
I gotta still put you in handcuffs,
Here,
ma'am.
let me have this. I promise I will not hurt your dog under any circumstances.
We'll
I'm
do it in the
right
front,
here with
okay?
your dog. Look, if you're gonna do it in the front, you should move.
63, you can go to the station.
I didn't do anything.
Let everybody else walk.
Try not to get your watch where it's gonna pinch you or anything.
Remember that. Don't let him go because I don't have it.
46, I'll be out.
I don't know what they're doing.
Well, you guys, somebody's got to tell me something. What's going on? She has a warrant. All the information, all the information that we have. For her arrest. Well, I'm waiting on the detective who can come explain to you just everything in just 1 second, okay? Here, give me that real quick.
When it takes on 371, I'm guessing that's if you can never get certain.
What's going on, Sharon?
I don't know anything.
I'll have the Mr. Reggie. I'll have the detective come talk to you in just 1 second, okay? I gotta make a phone call. Okay? We're not in any kind of rush. Just give us 1 minute.
Marion,
I understand in the middle of your driveway. If you want to just step by the truck, that's fine too. Yeah, in the shade. Just give me 1 minute. Okay?
Mike, not some other units were 1012 detained.
I didn't do anything. Nothing.
In April 1983, Deborah Newton told her husband she was moving to Georgia with their 3-year-old daughter, Michelle, to prepare a new home. After one final phone call, both disappeared. For decades, Michelle was listed as missing, while her mother lived under a different name.
Yes, Bill, did you copy?
Yeah.
If you want to, you can stay in the shade. I know it's probably warm out for you.
Well, I was getting ready to go to the rec center, so I.
Okay. Well, like I said, the detective's on his way to talk to you and your husband real quick.
Here it is.
Yeah, just a minute. We can have a chat with y'all. Okay.
Oh, no, that's Wolf.
Yeah, cool. The detective will be here in just a minute.
Here it is.
I've never done anything. Anything.
Well, where are you taking her to?
Central Operations to be interviewed. Like I said, he'll explain all to you in just 1 second.
I thought this was something to do with the play or something when they came in.
Stand over there. back to the
Yeah.
7600 Southeast 92nd and Terrace.
Following her arrest, Deborah Newton was extradited to Kentucky, where she faces a felony custodial interference charge. Court records indicate she has pleaded not guilty and the case is ongoing. Like many nonviolent cases, further proceedings will be handled through the court system. If you want to see more body-worn camera footage, consider subscribing to the channel. Additional context and updates will be shared as information becomes available.